For Home Lengths 412, we're continuing with our multi-step multiplication number story. So we really have to read these questions carefully, figure out what exactly I need to do. So we're going to be writing estimates and number models for each problem and then solving. Remember, it's easiest to do the number model with the unknowns first and then use that to help us with the estimate. Number 1. Rosalie is collecting stickers for a scrapbook. She collected 8 stickers per day for 2 weeks and then collected 5 stickers per day for 2 weeks. How many stickers has Rosalie collected? Okay. Well, 8 stickers each day for 2 weeks and then 5 stickers each day for 2 weeks. The first thing I need to realize is that there are 7 days in a week. So the first thing I can do is these 8 stickers every day, so there's 7 days in a week, 8 times 7, for 2 weeks. So 8 times 7 times 2. Okay? Then I also need to do 5 stickers each day for 7 days times 2. I'm going to make that be x, and I'll make this be y. Then I need to do 8 times 7 times 2. I know 8 times 7 is 56, and 56 times 2. You could solve using partial products. I know 50 times 2 is 100, 6 times 2 is 112. So do 112 plus 5 times 7 is 35. 35 times 2 is 70. 112 plus 70 equals, I'll just put S for stickers. So if I were going to estimate this, I would pick close but easier numbers. So instead of 8 times 7, maybe I'd do 10 times 7. 10 times 7 times 2. And then I'd probably add that to 5 times 7 times 2, I could probably keep that the same because those numbers aren't too big. Equals, all right, 10 times 7 is 70, 70 times 2 is 140. 5 times 7 is 35, times 2 is 70, so 140 plus 70, I know that 14 plus 7 is 21, so that'd be 210. So my estimate is about 210 stickers. When I actually solve, 112 plus 70 would be 182 stickers, which is kind of close to 210. I would say that's an appropriate answer. Okay, problem 2. Rashad's sister gives him 2 packs of baseball cards per month. Each pack has 11 cards. She gives him 3 extra packs for his birthday. How many cards does Rashad get in a year? So I need to know how many months there are in a year. There are 12 months in a year, so 2 packs of baseball cards times 12 months, because she gives him 2 packs each month. Then she gives him 3 extra packs for his birthday. So 2 packs times 12 months. Maybe I will do that first, and then I'm going to add the 3 packs to it. And after I do that, I'm going to multiply by 11 because there are 11 cards in each pack. Okay, so I did 2 times 12, 2 packs per month. It tells me how many packs in a year, plus the 3 bonus that he gets for his birthday. Then I have to take all of those packs times 11 because there's 11 cards. So now if I want to do a number model with the unknown, I might do 2 times 10. Maybe add that. 3 is not so hard to add to, so I can keep it 3. And then I could probably multiply that by 11, or maybe I'll just make it 10 to make it easier for myself. So 2 times 10 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 times 10 equals 230. So my estimate is about 230 cards. Now, when I actually solve, I get 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And then I need to do 27 times 11. Do 10 times 20 to get 200. 10 times 7 to get 70. Next diagonal will be 1 times 20 to get 20, and then close my bow tie. 1 times 7, 7. Answer is 792. 297 cards. Does my answer make sense? My estimate was 230, which is less than 297. However, remember that I took my 12 and made it 10, and then I took my 11 and made it 10. So if my estimate is, I use smaller numbers, it makes sense then that my estimate answer is smaller. So I do think it makes sense because my answer is close to my estimate. So I'm going to say yes. Okay, factor pairs, you should be doing factor t's for all of these. So my factor pairs here would be 1 and 50, 2 and 25, and 5 and 10. For 72, I'm going to start with 1 and 72. It's an even number, so 2 and 36. If I do 7 plus 2, I get 9, so I know 3 is a multiple. 72 divided by 3 is 24. 4 and 18. 6 and 12. And 8 and 9. For 85, 1 and 85, and then I know 5 is definitely a multiple. 5 and 17. And then last, 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30. 4 is not a factor, but 5 is. 5 and 18, 6 and 15, 7 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor, but 9 is, and so is 10. So there's all my factor pairs.